name is Rahim Lakhani. I'm with a company called Home2Stay Accessibility in Vancouver, BC. We supply and install products for accessibility. So as somebody's getting older, born with a disability or an acquired disability through life or a life circumstance, we will go in and we'll assess their home. We'll put in anything from a simple grab bar to a stair lift, an elevator, redo their bathroom so it is accessible for them, but to make accessibility look good and not to have it look institutional. We've been using Zoho One since 2020. Prior to that, we were using a number of different apps in our tech stack. The nice thing about Zoho One, what it's done is that it's allowed us to, from a CRM standpoint, to books, to project management, right down to expense and tracking our vehicles. It's allowed us to integrate everything together. So what it's done is it's brought the whole company into one space. We run everything primarily through CRM, and then as we're inputting information, it's added on. So the accounting team will use the books side of it, whereas the customer service team will be on CRM. We've integrated the voice as well, which has allowed us to just those little things that come up. It's allowed us to see more clarity. So when a customer calls, it pops up with their name. We can see who's calling right away, eliminated the need for hardware with, legacy PBX phone systems. So the nice thing about Zoho and what it's done for our business is allowed us to put everything together to roll with it. When we need a change made, we go out to our implementer, our partner. They're able to make those changes for us, and we're able to push it forward. And it's just very dynamic, and it's helped us to grow, helped us to not have additional expenses every time we need to make something change or something updates. And the other nice part is that we can call Zoho and get our tech support from the team versus going to our partner all the time.